of the girls have already entered kitchen to cook something. Some of the girls, or many of the girls, and some of the boys maybe. So the kitchen itself is a factory, right? In our family, the kitchen. What do you need? To prepare roti. You need wheat, flour, or atta, right? ITC, Ashirwad atta, or whatever. What is that? There is a raw material or materials that you need, right? So we talk about input. Materials. Like the motors, right? Induction motors, electrical, like 96% or 99%, I forgot the number. Motors in the world are induction motors. So you have an induction motor. That's material, right? Equipment is also part of material. What do you need to do with that? To do something, either you need to install motor. Who is going to install? You need men. Who is going to prepare roti? You need men. Right? So men. You need oven in the kitchen, right? For preparing roti. That's the machine. Motor itself is a machine and material, both. Right? I'm formatting in terms of M's. The first letter M's. Man, machine, materials. What else do you need? You cannot do anything, you cannot bring anything without that, which is called your capital or money, right? So in order to match with M's, I'm putting it as money. Man, machine, materials, money. Yes. If you do not know how to prepare roti, how are you going to prepare a roti? Or chapati? So you need methods, right? And finally, the minds. Not everybody is an entrepreneur, right? সবাই শিল্পপতি হতে পারে না. Industries, to start an industry, you need an entrepreneur. So we call them minds. They decide how to do that. So these are called inputs. Okay. And then the conversion process, the production process, which is called throughput. 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 That is called conversion process. Version or production process. Conversion or production process, which is called throughput, right? What do you get out of it? That you produce goods and also services. Services, right? Services like intangible. If you go from Kolkata to Mumbai by air, what do you get? No goods. Yes, you can buy food and all those things, some other stuff. That is different, but generally it's a transportation industry. It gives you service, not the goods, right? Yeah, it gives you goods if you send goods or buy goods from somebody, but it comes to transportation industry. The transportation industry itself is a service. Telephone, service industry, right? But there are so many processes. Everything needs. You need in telephone industry, you need materials, man, machine, money, methods, minds, everything. So that's called output. This input, throughput, output process won't work without one more thing. The process may break down from the initial stage or in the middle somewhere. Goods and services may not be produced or of inferior quality, whatever, right? So you need one vital process for the three stages, and which is called monitoring, and control. You need to monitor and control. If one of you, so one of the girls, Amrita Datta say, Amrita Datta first time went to kitchen to prepare something. Not in her childhood, but yeah, during her adulthood or adolescence, ja ruti toiri kar, ma bollen. So Amrita tried, but who monitored it? Amrita's mom. Rutita thik hocche kina, right? The steps and all those things. And then control. If Anita cannot do, her mom is there as a standby staff, right? Shadow. And monitoring and control is not only linked with this throughput. No, you need to check inputs and outputs. Why? Suppose in her house nobody have roti. Okay, roti habit is not there. But suddenly somebody came and said, one of the relatives said, "Oh, I have sugar. I don't eat this, that," and so they decided to prepare roti. But ITC Ashirwad Atta was 1 year old, date expired. So you need to monitor and control, right? So you don't use that atta. You need to control men. How? During campus interview, when the companies come, why do they ask for written test? Why do they ask for personal interview? Why do they ask for technical interview? So on and so forth, right? Because they need the best of the lot, right? Or the best lot. Okay? So that's that way to monitor and control. Similarly, you need to check your machine whether machine is all right. If your oven in the kitchen is not working, hey, what can you do? Money, your fund balance, whether you have enough money to do that. Methods, whether methods are proper or not, right? Sometimes you have to tweak the methods to do things because some, methods are generic, and if it has to be product specific for certain processes, you have to rewrite it or kind of addendum or addenda, whatever you call it, you have to add. Okay. This is not in my note, so you can take a snapshot or write it down. Sometimes I give it in the exam, sometimes I don't. These two are one-way arrows. These two are one-way arrows, and these are both way. Because they are talking, right? They are talking, they are communicating. They are communicating. They are communicating. For the right, yes, right, over. Right, no, wrong, no, it's wrong. Okay, send it back. So it's a two-way process. Okay. All right. Now, is there any question on that? Like if I ask diagrammatically or illustrate the production process, solid 3 marks or 4 marks, depending on, sometimes because not all questions are tougher. Sometimes you have to give some easy questions. So for easy, if I don't find out something, or if it was not in the last year, it may come, it may not come. I do not know, right? As I say, like tonight, I'll be keep it to half an hour, not more than that. Any question?
No, sir.
Everybody understood, right? Tomorrow there is a 2-hour class. So tomorrow please attend, and we'll go through job like types of production system, job production, batch production, mass production, and process production or continuous production process, and MRP, MRP process, materials requirement planning. After this topic, we'll start next week a numerical topic, because that way it becomes interesting. A numerical, like inventory control, and then I'll go through some economics, and then I'll come back to industrial management and some more two more topics. I'll switch back to financial accounting that way, back and forth, rather than Monday's class, because it's a 3-class week, 3 class a week. It's very difficult. It's very difficult if I keep 1 hour class for industrial management and 2 hour class for economics. I'm not going to do that, but I'll switch back and forth. Abhi Chatterjee, anything?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, tomorrow the class is scheduled from 12 to 2.
12 to
So,
2. Yes, yes.
sir, can be shifted to 11 to 1? Because again, we have the control elective people have their seminars from 2:30. So it becomes so the gapping is too less, sir. So it would be very comfortable for us if you shift the class to 11.
See, just let me see the routine. For tomorrow only. For tomorrow only, I can switch it to 11.
Okay, sir.
All right.